Hi everyone, this is Rupinder। ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਯੂਜ਼ਫੁਲ ਵਰਡ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੈਰੀ ਅਵੋਇਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਵੈਰੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮਲ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਰਿਪੀਟੇਟਿਵ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਵਰਡਸ ਨੂੰ। ਸੋ ਇਟਸ ਬੈਟਰ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੀਏ ਇੰਸਟੈਡ ਆਫ ਯੂਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਵੈਰੀ। So this is a list of words which can be used, which we usually use with the word very, like very angry, so we can write it as furious, and these words can be used in writing and speaking as well. The next word is very bad, which can be written or can be spoken as awful. Very beautiful, gorgeous. There is a cue card that you have to talk about a person who is beautiful or handsome. So instead saying the person I know who is very beautiful can be said who is gorgeous. Very big, massive, very boring, dull, very busy. The person was very busy when I called, so can be said as swamped. Very careful, courteous, very clean. If I would say Chandigarh is one of the cities of Punjab which is very clean, so we can say which is spotless. Very cold means freezing. Very careful or very colorful is vibrant. When we pronounce colorful, don't pronounce the word R in that, because any word after the vowels, so their R cannot be pronounced. It is not colorful, it's colorful. So for very colorful, it's vibrant. Very creative means innovative. Very cute, adorable. Very deep means profound. It has very deep impact on them. So we can say it as it has a profound impact on them. Very detailed, meticulous. Very excited means I am very excited to go there. So instead can be said I am thrilled to be there. Very costly, expensive. Or if I would say it is very expensive, I could say it is costly. So this is a list of words which helps you to avoid the word very, which is not at all suitable in IELTS. So make a list of these words and try to implement these in your writing and speaking as well. I hope this video is quite useful for you. So keep watching the videos and do comment in the comment section of what videos you want. Do subscribe the channel for latest videos. Thank you.